Hey, I'm Clenap and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to prepare this multi-purpose green hot sauce. So without wasting time, let's just get it started. So we are going to need a combination of fresh green peppers plus our hot pepper. Then we're going to add some shrimp powder. We're going to add some onions, ginger, garlic, spring onions, black pepper. And to fry, we're going to need a half glass of olive oil. So FYI, just know that green hot sauce is just a combination of mild to sweet green peppers like bell pepper, banana pepper, jalapenos, chili pepper, etc. combined with the hot pepper like Scotch bonnet pepper or habanero pepper. So you are going to gauge and adjust based on your own preference. And most importantly, do not kill yourself trying to look for the banana peppers and whatsoever, because using even just green bell pepper will give you a great results. Just remember, the more habanero you add, the spicier it becomes. And do not forget to add your flavor enhancers also, like the ginger and the garlic and so on. So thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Let's go on with our recipe. So as you can see, I'm taking the seed out of the banana peppers, and then I'm going to try to slice them to make it easier to blend. After that, we are going to blend and we will be ready to fry. Don't forget that all the quantities will be stated in the description box below. So now I'm going to add my oil and I'm going to wait for it to be hot enough, and then I'm going to add my blended mix as you can see in the video. Now all we have to do is to cook until water is completely absorbed, and I'm going to change pan because this is too small. So 25 to 30 minutes later, as you can see, there is less water and the color is beginning to change. Then I'm going to add my shrimp powder, which I combined with a tablet of shrimp Maggi cube. Then our black pepper, and I'm going to add my salt in a minute. And then I'm going to add a little bit of thyme just to enhance the flavor. And now all we have to do is to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes and our sauce will be ready. Ten to 15 minutes later, here we are. As you can see, our bubbles are smaller, which means we have less liquid. So now I'm going to stir and cook for another 5 minutes. Now this is our end result, and this really always comes in handy whenever you need it. You can use it for your kenke or banku, you can use it for rice, you can use it for pasta, you can use it for fried yam, you can even use it to marinate your meats before you roast it or grill it or whatever. If you like what you see, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos, and leave a comment below and let me know what you think. And hey, connect with me on Instagram. My handle is on the screen. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.